I saw him bring it up to the yard.
Bubba! Oh my god, what is that? He's eating it!
It's a bird. It's a little bird.
He's sitting right there.
What'd you get, Bubba? Does that taste good? That's not nice, Bubba.
Hey, Bubba. What are you doing, Bubba? What are you doing? Eat the fish, Bubba. What are you eat this, Bubba? What are Bubba? What are you eating this, Bubba? What are Bubba eat the fish? Why
That's how it works.
eat the fish, Bubba?
He's really enjoying that.
Look at Chris. He's so entertained. Oh my god.
It's like,
He's eating the whole bird. He's eating the bones and everything.
wow.
Oh, God. I can't believe he just ate the whole bird. And
Yeah.
the feathers. He's eating all the feathers and everything. Jeez.
Look, there is nothing left of this bird. Just a few
Bubba's
feathers.
eating? Bubba's
Wow.
eating the bird?
Yeah, Bubba eat.
Hey, there's a foot.
Mommy.
Go tell Bubba. Come on, let's go tell Bubba. Let's go tell Bubba. What did Bubba do? You gonna go tell Bubba?
Are you gonna finish that, Bubba?
Go tell Bubba what happened.